Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 6 tan t. Because if I put this one going here, you got about 36 tan t square. 36, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the square root. ds, you got about 6 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one going here and here. ds we change by this one. This one you got about 36 tan t square. Number 6 we cancel. 36 we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we got about secant of t square. The square root of this one, you got about 6 secant of t. Now, secant of t, we simplify. And now I will put number 6 going here. Secant of t, we can change into 1 over cosine t. Similar for this one, tan t, we change for sin t over cosine t. Now we need to simplify cosine t. This one we can put into cosecant of t dt. The integration of this one, you got about negative 1 over 6 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 6. And you got about t equals to arctan of s over 6. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.